The smaller your components, the more precise your labeling needs to be. And when precision is everything, the new ZT610 micro-label printer from Zebra delivers. Built for the pace and scale of modern manufacturing, this powerful printer supports advanced labeling for today's evolving demands, helping reduce media waste and keep operations efficient. It prints every label with microscopic detail, giving you confidence in every run. And now optimized for integration with print and apply automation systems. You can choose from a wider range of media sizes than ever and expand to more applications without compromising quality. Whether you're in electronics, pharma, or solar, the ZT610 is built to deliver the precision and automation you need with the reliable performance that keeps production moving. The ZT610 micro-label printer. Print precise, print quality, print Zebra.